We got up at 4 AM to head to Milford Sound. The drive from Queenstown took 4 hours due to the snow and ice. We missed our first booking, but luckily we were able to reschedule it. We're here at Milford Sound. It's wet and rainy, which is perfect for the waterfalls we're about to see. You can order refreshments on the cruise, so I ordered some hot tea to fight the winter cold.
So we do have cold drinks, snacks, refreshments available for purchase down at the cafe. But if you are feeling a little bit hungry and like a hot meal, then by all means have a look at the menu and you could order there as well.
We're back at our Airbnb. It's now 7:30 in the evening and time for a good rest after a long day.
I feel like my socks stink.
And how much do you weigh?
We're renting out some ski boots because we're going to be skiing tomorrow.
Oh no, because I'm sure I put on so much weight the past few days eating. Maybe it's the pants.
This is our friend and his girlfriend from Queenstown. They're helping us with our ski gear.
Okay, this might sound weird, but I need you to pull up your pants.
I've never skied before, so I made sure to check out some YouTube videos on how to ski the night before.
Yeah. Okay.
Do I stand up?
Yeah.
We're at the Remarkables ski field. I got into some near accidents where I almost knocked a kid over, and also on my first attempt, I couldn't control my skis, so I ended up skiing backwards down the slope, which was really scary. We ended the night by treating ourselves to some delicious burger at Ferg Burger.
Is there like a place to sit down in there?
There are, but it was taken up.
Yeah.
The next morning we headed to Ferg Bakery for some delicious treats.
And the mini tart, the chocolate caramel mini tart. Whatever, I can't even see it. And then you got that. What's that?
We headed off to this lovely spot in the town centre. It was a beautiful winter's morning, the music was playing, and we just sat there and enjoyed the vibes.
Have a great time. Oh, wow, the mountains.
We liked the mountains so much, we decided to see it up close, so we took a ride to the top via the Skyline Gondola. This takes you all the way up the mountains where there's a viewing platform that overlooks a panoramic view of the South Island.
Wow.
So cool how we're right up against that rock face there. You could take a picture of me, the scene behind. title it Beauty and the Beast.
Oh no, kill walk. Just taking videos of people.
That's that wall along the beach that we were all sitting on. And behind it there's the gardens, and it goes along that way, on the peninsula.
This is our last day in Queenstown. We're having lunch at July Eats in front of the majestic sea views. We all end up ordering the creamy seafood and herb chowder, which costs $28.
You can see the smoke. Not the smoke, the heat rising up. I'm excited about eating food at the airport.
I hope there's enough at the airport for you guys to keep.
There's also a cafe area in July Eats where you can order some quick bites to take away on the road. On our way back, we make a spontaneous trip to Karawau Bungy Bridge. We were so inspired by this person doing the bungee that we decided to do the zip line. This is me being a bit dramatic. It's actually not that scary, just the anticipation of it.
Like a trustful like this. Yeah, you're not going to go down, you're just going to fall and lie down. Lean forward, lean forward, lean forward, lean forward. There you go. Right, you don't have to hold on to those loops anymore. Hands up.
Oh my god, why did I decide to do this pose?
Are you uncomfortable?
Oh my god!
We're good.
Oh my gosh!
Just hang in there. You're gonna get the best shot. JJ!
Hope you enjoyed my South Island adventures. See you later.